show you guys our bedtime routine, I guess you could say. When I come home from work on Fridays and Saturdays, I get home at 4. So I'm with the dogs pretty much all night, and usually no one is home but me and the dogs. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do bathroom breaks and or how I do bathroom and do the last rounds before bed. So as you guys can just tell, I'm in the hallway and the boys are in mine and my husband's bedroom. I'm going to go get Ruby in the garage. This is gonna be our last time out for the night. If my husband gets home a little later and they all hear him, he'll definitely do another like bathroom break. But I'm going to go to the garage to get Ruby, and it will be her bathroom time. Okay, so we have 3 chairs here so that the boys, when they're out of the room, that they don't come over here and irritate her. But we always have our garage light on. Hi, Ruby. Do you gotta go potty? You do? Okay. Oops. Hi, come on. Let's go to the bathroom. She knows exactly where to go to. Sometimes I have to run after her because she goes so fast. Ruby, do you gotta go potty? Huh? You gotta go? Okay. Sit. Ruby, sit. Sit. Good girl, you could go inside. Oh, mommy locked it. Okay. Come on. I'll let you go potty. Okay, so I usually just open up the door, let her go. She usually goes around, goes
to the bathroom. Oh my god, there's a lizard on our door. Do you guys see him? There's a lizard on the door. There's a lizard on the door. Oh goodness.
So yeah, I usually just let her go to the bathroom. I usually just leave the door open so that she can go whenever she wants. She usually goes pee and poop, and then yeah, she usually goes pee and poop, and then she comes in. And when she comes over and starts licking me and sitting next to me, that's my telltale sign that she's ready to go back in and get her treat. I have a whole video that I have to record about her and her situation, but I have new information, so I'm going to go ahead and just record a new video and update you guys. But yeah.
Hi, little lizard. See if we can get up close to this little guy. Hi, dude. Aw, he's cute. Look at this little guy. Look at this guy. Oh, you're so cute. Boop. Oh, I booped him. Oh, goodness.
Done. Do you want to go get a treat? Do you want to go get a treat? Come on, let's go get a treat. All right, guys, we're going in the house. Let's go get a treat. Boys are still in there. She's so fast. Do you want a treat? Would you like a treat? Let's get you a treat. Let me actually just make sure she's got plenty of water still. And she does. That's her. What? Do you want a treat? Can you sit? Girl! High five. No, you just give me a kiss. Do you want a treat? Want a treat? Good girl. Okay, I think that deserves a treat. I just have these soft baked shoes. Okay. Come here. Sit. Come here. Come here. Sit. Do you She's a good girl. This is a good girl. Good girl. We'll let her finish that. I hear you crying. Okay, you ready for bed? Ready to go night-night? All right, go to your room. Go to your room. Come on. Go to your room. She usually goes. Come on, let's go to your room. Go to your room. No, Ruby. Ruby, come. Come. Go to your room. Come. Come on. Good girl, go to your room. She always has this light on. It's always on. She always has water. She gets fed twice a day, once in the morning, once at night. What? Can I show them your humble abode? Okay. So she has this couch here, which she has a blanket. And that's her little stuffy. Come here. Let's see if she'll play with it. Come on. Get your stuffy. Get your stuffy. Come on. Here. Get your stuffy. Play with your stuffy. Play with your stuffy. Where are you? Where are you? She's like so interested in me right now. Get your stuffy. Yay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good girl. She has a couch with a blanket in case it gets colder. She has like her water and food, like I said. She has this little blue couch. She also has that recliner over there, and she has the whole garage to herself. Yes, you have the whole garage to yourself, don't ya? Don't ya? She's so good, but she hates when I leave her. Okay, it's not nighttime. Go lay down. Go lay down. No, you know you gotta lay down. Lay down. Stay back. Stay back. Nope. Stay. Stay. Good girl. Nope. Stay. It's okay. This is my worst part. That. She starts jumping and crying, which I hate. I hate doing that to her, but she does not have, at least we don't think she has her shots updated. So we have to keep her separated from the boys. The boys have their shots and they're all protected. They have all of their preventatives and everything. But on the off chance that she doesn't, I don't want to mix the two just because there could be risks involved. Come on, scoundrels. Okay. They're geared and they're ready because they don't like when anyone invades their space. Hey, calm. Okay, go ahead. Okay, and with them, I just closed the door because if I didn't, the mosquitoes would get me and they they don't come back right away. So there's Kovu. I'm so sorry about the lighting. The lighting kind of sucks. And there's Branch. Okay, so they're not out all day, but they go out frequently. I swear these guys are out. They come outside like maybe 15 to 20 times a day. Usually they tell us when they have to come out. They usually come up to us, and Kovu especially, he actually barks, or he starts growling and then he starts barking, and that's his telltale sign that he has to go out to the bathroom. So that's when we usually let them out. But other than that, we let them out probably every 2 to 3 hours for a good 20-30 minutes. It's Texas heat. It gets up to 100 degrees during the day, so we don't let them out here for that long. Sometimes it's only like 15 minutes. It's depending on how hot it is during the day. At nighttime, we usually let them out and let them roam for a good while, unless we are going to bed and they're just actually messing around. Branch is ready to come inside. Are you ready? Are you ready to come get your treat? Come on. Yeah, I know. I got it. Come on. Come inside. Come on. Come in. Come in. Good boy. You're not getting into... Kovu, come. Kovu. Kovu. Kovu, come. Come on. You want a treat? Come on, come get a treat. This one's a fat one, so whew. Usually when I say treat, do you want a treat? All right, come on, you gotta go inside. Usually when I say treat, they're all good and they love to go in. Come on. Okay, go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed. Okay, so they know go to bed means go into mommy and daddy's room. Okay, sit. Nope, sit. Thank you for shaking. You get yours. Shake. Nope, shake. Good boy. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. That concludes our last bedtime before actual bed routine. These two, I've told you all before, Kovu is our roommate's dog. So if he is either at work or out of town, Kovu just kind of sleeps with us. We have Branch's kennel over there. Normally one of them sleeps on the bed with us, and one just automatically goes into the kennel. Sometimes it's not true because we have this one laying in the middle of us and the other one laying at the end of the bed. So sometimes they both lay with us. It really just depends on how they're feeling that day. But that concludes this video. That is our bed/nighttime routine. We obviously do that like 99 times in a row with them because obviously they're dogs. They can't really tell you, like, they're not humans. They can't tell you, hey, I have to go to the bathroom. So we really just kind of have to guesstimate, and every couple of hours I let them out. Right now it's almost 11, so if my timing is correct, my husband won't get home till probably like 1. And if they wake up or anything, he can let them out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And now it is time for me to go to bed because I'm so tired and I have a full day of work tomorrow. But then tomorrow I'm coming home and I'm switching around our living room and I'm so excited. But yeah. Like this video and comment down below if you guys want to see the video I have made on Ruby, and of course I will add in everything that I have on her. She's super sweet and super cute, and yeah, so just like this video, and like I said, comment down below if you want that video. All of my social media will be down below: Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. Go follow, go like, do what you gotta do. And remember, guys, it is a life worth fighting for. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. I told him I'd give him a treat if he lays down. This is where he goes. Would you guys like another treat? Sit. Can you sit? Just make good boys. Okay, I'll give you another treat. Okay. Hey. No. No. Boop. Ah. You guys are dressed. I'll tell you guys too. Don't forget to go to the bathroom for yourself. Mom's gotta pee too. You guys in jail. I'm coming. Go to bed. Go to bed. Mommy's coming. I know. Come on. Branch, come. Would you come on? Come on. Come. Good boy. Okay, go to bed. Kovu, go to bed. Go to bed. Kennel. Kennel. Get in. Kovu. Kennel. 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 Okay, say good night. Good night. Good night.